Hello guys! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Faizan Nabil
And I'm Aisha Farzin from
Bluewaters.
Today we are here in front of Birds and Animals Market in Sharjah, which is next to Jubail Market. So let's explore. The market starts with the fish stall with lots of varieties of fishes like goldfish, angelfish, fighter fish, crabs, and etc. The rate of the fishes starts from 5 to 500 dirham. Lots of varieties of fighters were there. Now we moved on to the next shop, which is a bird shop. We saw lots of varieties of lovebirds, pigeons, doves and parrots. Lovebirds starts from 25 dirhams onwards. Parrots starts from 250 onwards. Always try to buy small parrots which are easily tameable and adaptable with us. What a lovely cat! It costs 1,000 dirham. Here comes the falcons, which are the national bird of UAE. Falcons are very expensive. Then we saw pigeons and lovebirds. Almost all shops have lovebirds and pigeons. A lot of cats are there in this shop. See, lots of parrots from small to big are available here. It's so beautiful to watch the parrots. These are hamsters and mice. This is another type of parrot. It's playing with Aisha. These are another falcons. This is another bird shop. Each shop are having a good collection of birds. Each birds look beautiful by the future. These are great parrots. They are so lovely and friendly. Here comes the lovely and playful kitten. It's so energetic. It's so funny to watch it. This is an African parrot. It's very expensive and beautiful. These are peacocks which they have kept for sale. Wow, what a playful parrot! another shop where we can see hen, ducks and turkeys. We can see a lot of chicks in the incubator. It costs 10 dirhams for 3 chicks. Me and Faizan took the chicken in our hands and played with it for some time. These are roosters. These chicks are so cute. These are huge and big hens. These are rabbits, which is another beautiful attraction. This is an African cat. These cats cost 1,000 dirhams and above. They are so cute and adorable. This is a cute kitten which an auntie brought. These are dogs. These are cute and funny rabbits with beautiful dresses. These are big hens with a lot of feathers. This is a white hen. This is a fish shop in between. We have varieties of fishes here. These are the 2 fighter fishes which we brought from the shop. Both are very beautiful. This is a goat cattle farm where we can see goats, sheep, cows and bulls. There are a lot of varieties of goats here. We have big and small sheep here. These are cows. They are so huge. Wow, what a big sheep. There's another one. Wow! See the height of both sheeps? lot of cows over there. This is the pet clinic. This is the food and accessories shop where we can buy all the pet accessories. This is a pet salon where we will see the dog's bath and how the staff take care of the pets.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe,
and hit the bell button near the subscribe button to get more information and updates on our new videos, and let us know your feedback in the